Have you noticed that some people are always broke, no matter how much they earn, while others keep getting richer even with less? Now, this isn't luck, but it's something called mindset. And today, I'm going to show you how exactly rich people think differently about money. So, stick around.
We often hear about strategies for wealth, but what truly separates those who achieve financial freedom from those stuck paycheck to paycheck? Let's address the core reason you might not be as wealthy as you aspire to be, yet. Some people, even with average salaries, consistently build wealth and secure their financial future. Others, despite earning a substantial income, struggle endlessly with debt and financial insecurity. It's not magic or luck, it's not about secret connections or unfair advantages. The real key to wealth is mindset. It's how you perceive and interact with money that determines your financial destiny. Wealthy people see money as a tool to build a better future. They treat it as a resource to be carefully managed, invested wisely, and leveraged strategically. This mindset shapes every financial decision, guiding choices and influencing habits. Anyone can adopt this mindset. It's a skill that can be learned and mastered. Today, I'll break down 7 key mindset shifts that separate the wealthy from those who struggle. Ready to upgrade your financial thinking? Let's unlock the secrets to a wealthy mindset. The truly wealthy understand that money is not the ultimate objective, but rather a powerful tool. It's a means to an end, a resource to be leveraged, and a catalyst for creating opportunities. They recognize its potential to build, to grow, and to empower. It's a tool for building a better future. It's not the finish line. Money is a vehicle, not the destination. The finish line is achieving your dreams, securing your family's future, and making a lasting impact on the world. Don't mistake the tool for the purpose. Most people work tirelessly for a paycheck, a means to cover their immediate needs and desires, and then promptly spend it, often without a second thought about its potential. This cycle keeps them trapped in a loop of earning and spending. But the wealthy, those who truly understand the power of money, use it strategically to buy assets. These assets, whether they be real estate, stocks, or businesses, then generate more income, creating a self-sustaining cycle of wealth creation. Every dollar is a worker, a tiny employee diligently working to generate more wealth. Each dollar has the potential to multiply and create a financial empire. It's not a trophy to be displayed or flaunted. It's not about the accumulation of material possessions or the pursuit of status symbols. The fundamental question isn't, what can I buy with this money to satisfy my immediate desires? But rather, how can I strategically invest this money to make it work tirelessly for me, generating passive income and building long-term wealth? The ultimate goal is to achieve true freedom and unlock a world of limitless opportunities. It's about having the resources to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and make a meaningful difference in the world. It's not just about accumulating a massive pile of cash, but about building a life of purpose, security, and fulfillment. Cutting costs is important, but there's a limit to how much you can save. The wealthy focus on growing their income, getting promotions, building businesses, or starting side hustles. They play offense, not just defense. Instead of obsessing over saving a few dollars, they look for ways to earn hundreds more. There's no ceiling on how much you can earn. Don't wait to invest. Start now, even if it's just a small amount. Compound interest is the most powerful force in finance, and time is your biggest asset. Wealthy people know that consistency beats waiting for the perfect moment. Automate your investments, no matter how small. The earlier you start, the bigger your wealth snowball grows. Don't let pride stop you from learning about money. The wealthy ask questions, read, and seek advice. They're always students. It's better to look dumb for 5 minutes than stay broke for life. Financial literacy is a skill anyone can build. Knowledge is the foundation of wealth. You become like the people you spend time with. If your circle is financially stressed, that mindset rubs off. Wealthy people seek out mentors and peers who talk about investing and growth. Being around ambitious, financially smart people raises your own standards. Their success and knowledge become your resource. Instant gratification leads to debt and stress. The wealthy master delayed gratification. They invest instead of spending on status symbols. They're willing to sacrifice now for bigger rewards later. Every dollar not spent today is a dollar working for their future. They find joy in building wealth, not just buying things. Most people plan just for retirement. The wealthy plan for generations. They build systems and businesses that outlast them. Their goal is to give their children a head start, not just leave money behind. They teach financial skills to the next generation. It's about building a legacy, not just personal wealth. These 7 mindset shifts are practical tools, the building blocks of a financially secure future. It's about moving beyond limitations and embracing possibilities. They can transform your relationship with wealth, turning it from stress into empowerment. Imagine a future where financial worries are minimized and you have the freedom to pursue your passions. You don't need millions to start. The journey to financial freedom begins with a conscious decision to adopt a new way of thinking. Just pick one idea and take action today. Choose one that resonates and commit to a small step. It could be setting a reminder or researching a new investment strategy. Maybe it's reading a finance book, expanding your knowledge base. There are countless resources available. Or automating a small investment, setting up a recurring transfer. Even a small amount, consistently invested, can grow significantly over time. Start challenging your limiting beliefs about wealth. Question the assumptions you've always held. The key is to start now, to break free from procrastination and take decisive action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The future you will thank you for the choices you make today. Every small step builds momentum. It's not about accumulating wealth first and then adopting a positive mindset. It's about cultivating a mindset of abundance and then taking actions that align with that mindset. Adopt the mindset, visualize your goals, and cultivate a sense of gratitude. Align your actions with your financial goals. Make conscious choices about how you spend, save, and invest. As you embody a rich mindset and take aligned action, you'll naturally attract opportunities.
If this video helped you learn something, then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because imagine what you're able to learn next. Thank you for watching.